everybody, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you some of the things that I've been working on, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different things here. Okay, and this first thing is one of these cosmetic bags that we have. And inside that cosmetic bag, I have placed some candy, some coffee, a soap, 2 soaps, 2 specialty soaps. One looks like a flower and the other one is called Radiant Orchard, 2 soaps that I make. And also some Everlasting Love spa luxury set. It's the body mist and the body wash, along with a mug and a loofah. And I put in a backer, just so that when I do close it up, I can pull it together without squishing everything completely. So that is the first one. The second one is this little gift set here. It is, I think this is just so pretty. I just love all the colors. It is the Bodycology massager. It is the Homedics Quattro mini massager. The loofah sponge, one of those long ones, and then we have the L Serenity Mist set. The whole gift set. It's a 5-piece set that's back there. So this is really cute. And next we have, so I'm going to show you something that I've been talking about in my other videos, but I haven't shown much of it. I'm about to show you one of the versions. So this is my smoking basket. Okay, this is one of my smoking baskets. So inside it is a tray, a grinder, a container for you to hold things, an ashtray that I made, and because it's so heavy, it's not going to go anywhere in this gift. It looks like a skull, okay, and it has gold on it. All right. So I live where there are a lot of people who like stuff like that, so I have that in here. So I also have the shortbread cookies and aroma diffuser. Also, I have some chocolate back here. So yeah, so everything they need except for their medical or medicinal. Okay, so next we have a gentleman's gift. Alright, and this gift, trying to get things straight here. This gift is the slippers, and I'm using it as the actual foundation. I actually was going to just do this part of the gift, but then I thought, I want to add to it. Make it a little bit bigger, and these are nice. So the slippers for the gentleman, and also some bath salts, luxury bath salts that I make. One of my soaps is called The Boss, and it smells wonderful. For men. Also, one of my soap dishes. We have some cookies and some ash cologne and some shades. So that's a nice little gift for your man or a man. Okay. And the next one is one that I have set up kind of similar to that one. this one, I'm using the container and I'm putting my base on top of the container the same way I did with the bag, with the slippers. I forgot that fast. Same thing I did with the slippers, I did here. So I have a foundation already created by a box and a piece of foam board, okay, which I've covered in wrapping paper. And we have one of my soaps that looks like a flower. We have some bath salts, some earrings, one of my soap dishes, some slippers, and some perfume. Another nice, pretty little gift. Okay, I'm going to add some flowers, excuse me, to finish that off before I close it. All right. Let's get on to the next one. All right, so this one is, excuse me, it is a candle holder. It says Stair Step Sentiment Candle Holder. It's in Spanish, and it is a Bible verse on it. All right, and we have Anything is Possible on the glass. We have a candle. We have some of my luxury bath salts. We have the Spa Luxury set of the body scrub and the body cream. And then this cute little purse is filled with candy. So I filled it with some candy and put that in there. Yeah. So that is a nice little gift. Okay. And one that I already started wrapping, but I have not done the bow for it yet. This is another gentleman's gift. And in this gift, there is the Onyx charcoal activated charcoal and sage soap. We have some Men's Care Dove hand cream, some Suave body wash. We have some nose trimmers back here, and the wipes, gentleman wipes. Also, there is the Suave body wash and body cream, Dove deodorant, and a loofah. And in here in the back, this is Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt and socks. So that is what that gift is. And I need to do the ribbon. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let me pause you just for a second and get this other ribbon. I'll be right back. All right, so let us get started. This over here. The pipe cleaner in there. I decided to go with these two colors. It's not really, the only thing that makes it look Valentine-y is the heart on the front of the container. And I know men don't, they like things to be a little simple. Most men like things to be simple. So let's give them a little sparkle, right? Not too much though. There. Gotta clean up along the way. There's enough stuff all over the place, okay? It's okay. No confusion. Less confusion that way. Alright. Let's ducktail these. So much fun. This is so much fun. This is so much fun. Okay, it is. I enjoy myself doing all that. Let me take this pipe cleaner off. And place this one on. Really tight and twist it. Now, I don't like to cut it off. I like to hide it just in case I need to get back in there. Or it just makes it, and it makes it easier for the recipient if they choose to keep the box. They can reuse it. All right. There we go. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, bye.